So Mama was cleaning, and then she finally sat down, and guess who is now on Mama's lap? Sorry, the lighting is not great, but that's because we prefer a little darkness at the moment. We prefer a little darkness at the moment. We do. Baji's had a very long day of Mom cleaning. Because Mama was cleaning, Baji got no attention. Absolutely none. And so as soon as Mom sat down, Baji come to Mom's lap. Right, Baji? Where's your face? Where's your face? Where's your face? Oh. But he was so sad. That there has been no attention. Just none. Just wants to curl up with Mama. Just wants to curl up in Mama's lap.